Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I package some of my orders. I also wanted to update you all on my lip gloss wholesale journey. I actually added a few more colors to my pre-made lip gloss base. I also purchased some wand tubes and some squeeze tubes, so head on over to my site and check that out. So the two orders that I'm packing today are for my lip gloss wholesale, and I will just be packaging some lip gloss base. So these are the 6.5 ounce gloss base bags, but I added a little bit more. What you'll see it on the scale, it will be like 7.5 ounces when it really should be 6.5. But I was just like, you know what? I'm sure they'll be grateful for receiving a little bit extra in their pouches. So yeah, so now I'm just measuring it and realizing that I went overboard. Also, side note, the gloss base bags do come with either added oils or just plain. So I have those options now as well. And now we're finally getting to the packaging part. So I have my boxes here. These are 8 by 6 by 4. I got these from U-Pack and Ship. So these are pretty much good for anything that I have right now. They're like the perfect size. I am looking for bigger boxes for like when I do my starter kits and stuff like that, but this is what I have. Now I'm just adding my blue tissue paper into the boxes. I got this tissue paper from Amazon. Then I'm just showing my Clorox wipes because I'll be using that to clean off the gloss base bags just to be extra sanitary. Now I'm just cleaning the bags, sanitizing, you know, all that good stuff since the Rona's still out. I also wanted to let you guys know that I do now have pre-filled lip gloss tubes on the site. It is 10 milliliter squeeze tubes, and it's just a variety of different shades and scents on the site. So if you don't want to worry about mixing lip gloss and the mess of lip gloss, then definitely look into my pre-filled lip gloss section on my site. So now I'll be adding my stickers to the gloss base bags because, you know, branding is key. Oh, and I also got these stickers from Avery. So for added protection, I do put the pouches inside of this bubble wrap just to further ensure that your pouches are safe, nothing will spill, you know, because FedEx, UPS, USPS, all of them just be throwing your packages around, so you just got to be careful. Now I'll just be adding the pouches into the box. And then I just, use up the box, put some little paper, some crinkle paper, my business cards, thank you cards, stuff like that. Everything is color coordinated, or I try to. I definitely am working on new business cards, new thank you cards, nail application cards, like all that. I'm just redoing it all because this was kind of a rough draft, and now that I'm looking at it, I'm like, the lettering is slightly too green, and I was trying to be on the blue side, so I'm just nitpicking because I'm my worst critic, basically. So, yeah, this is just adding all the extra fancy stuff into the box just to make it cute. Now I'm just showing you the process one more time. The order is going to be the same as the first one. Both purchases are for the glass face pouches. So now I'm adding the packing slip to the order. I forgot to do that in the first one, so I'm just going to be doing that now. So now I'm closing up the boxes using my little fragile tape that I got from, I believe, Amazon. I also took off my gloves here because it was just too hard to be trying to pick out the tape with my gloves on. My gloves were too big. It was a mess. So yeah, now I'm just sealing up the box. Remember how I said branding is key? So in this next clip, I'll be showing you my customized tape. So I actually got this from Sticker Mule. This was like the little sample one, which actually came with a lot, to be honest. It was only $9. So basically with this tape, you have to wet the tacky side for it to be able to adhere to the box. So that's what I'm doing with the sponge. So now it's time for the second box, but what I didn't realize here is that I didn't put the packing slip in it. So I sat here and I taped the whole box with my little customized tape on it, and I took it off. So watch me fail. So now I'll be adding the boxes to my poly mailers. This is just to ensure that if there's any crazy weather like rain or anything, that the boxes won't be soaked. So I just like to put the boxes in the poly mailer. Oh, and I got these poly mailers from Amazon. I believe I put this in my original video of like my inventory and stuff like that. So if y'all want the details of where I got pretty much all this stuff from, then you can definitely go watch that video. Now I'm adding the shipping labels to the boxes. I'm covering up their information. Now I'm adding a little fragile sticker just to make sure that they know to be careful with your packages. Now I'm just repeating the process for the second order. And that is how I package and ship off my orders. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what else you want to see. Any other shipping videos you would like to see, just let me know in the comments down below. Make sure you also follow my business Instagram, just so you can stay up to date on all the new products that I'll be launching.